Good morning. Anyone please unmute yourselves and respond. I'm audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Let's start with the fourth module. We'll do third and fifth later. I take fourth module now. This is a numerical module, numerical methods. Here we study curve fitting by least square method. Curve fitting by least square method, and a few statistical methods are taught in this fourth module. Throughout this module, next module, and fifth module, you have to keep a notepad, pen, and a calculator with you, without which we cannot solve problems. Calculator is very important. You keep a calculator with you. Here you will be given a set of values corresponding to both the dependent and independent variable of the straight line y is equal to ax plus b or y is equal to f of x. Here x is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable. For different values of x, y takes different values. Therefore, x is called independent variable and y is called a dependent variable. You will be given a set of values like this: x and y. X takes values x0, x1, x2, etc. xn. Correspondingly, y takes values y0, y1, and so on, yn. We have to construct a straight line. We have to construct a straight line in the form y is equal to ax plus b, which best fits this data. Not exactly, which best fits the given data. Take summation on both sides. This y is equal to ax plus b. This is the standard expression for a straight line. Take summation on both sides. You get summation y is equal to a into summation x. A into summation x. Plus b is constant. There is no x, there is no y here. Therefore, we multiply this by n. N into b. N is the number of set of values specified. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus n into b. Now multiply this throughout by x. We get xy is equal to a into summation x into x is x square plus, now remove this n, b into summation x. Take summation on both sides for this straight line. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus n into b. N is the number of set of values specified here. Plus, next, multiply this expression throughout by x. Summation xy is equal to a into summation x into x square plus b into summation x. These two equations are called normal equations. These two equations are normal equations. They are very important equations in solving these kind of problems. These two equations are called normal equations. Summation y is equal to summation x plus n into b. Summation xy is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x. By constructing these two equations, we can construct a straight line y is equal to ax plus b. I'll solve a problem. You will come to know what actually this method is, least square method. Just make a note of this curve fitting of a straight line y is equal to ax plus b and these two normal equations. Fitting of a straight line y is equal to ax plus b. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus n into b. and summation xy is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x. In every problem, we construct these two normal equations and solve the normal equations to find the values of a and b. Then we can directly write y is equal to ax plus b. Let's solve this problem. We will come to know what actually this method is. Fit a straight line y is equal to ax plus b for the data. Fit a straight line y is equal to ax plus b for the data. Data is given here. Okay. For the data, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 8, y is equal to 5. When x is equal to 9, y is equal to 7. When x is equal to 11, y is equal to 8. 14, 9. Fit a straight line for this data. First, you have to construct the normal equations. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus n into b. Summation xy is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x. In examination, you have to write these two equations compulsory. These two equations are called normal equations. They are called normal equations. And what is n here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 set of values are specified here. Take n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. Now we construct a table corresponding to these two equations. What is required here actually? Summation x is required, so one column for x. Summation y is required, therefore one column for y. Further, what is required? Summation x square is required, therefore one column for x square. Next, summation xy is required, one column for xy. You construct a table like this. Here x takes values 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 14. Corresponding y are 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Next, x square. This is x, and x square is 1 square. 1 square is 1. 3 square. 3 square is 9. 4 square, 16. 6 square, 36. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. 11 square, 121. 14 square, 196. Next, x into y. This is x, this is y. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 2, 6. Continue like this. 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 4, 24. 8 into 5, 40. 9 into 7, 63. 11 into 8, 88. 14 into 9, 126. Now add these values. Take summation. First tell me what is summation x.
$56.
56, that's right. Next, summation y. Next, x square.
$524.
524, right? That's correct. 524. Next, xy.
364.
364. Okay. All the values are obtained. Now we substitute these values in normal equations. Please note on this table. It's here. We obtained all the values. Now substitute in normal equations. I copied the two normal equations here. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus nb. Summation xy is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x. First, I write first equation. We have two normal equations. This is first normal equation. A into summation x. Summation x is 56. Therefore, 56a plus n into b. N is equal to 8. Therefore, 8b. This is equal to summation y. And summation y is 40. This is first normal equation. Next, second normal equation. A into summation x square. Summation x square is 524. 524a plus b into summation x. Summation x is 56. Therefore, 56b is equal to summation xy 364. These are the two simultaneous equations. You take a calculator and solve these two and tell me what is the value of A, what is the value of B. Use a calculator.
A is equal to 11 by 7, B is equal to minus 6.
A is equal to 11 by
7.
7. No. No, it's not correct. 11 by 7. What is 7 by 11?
It's 7 by 11.
7 by 11. You calculate that too. 7 by 11. Point.
0.63.
0.63. Give me one more digit.
63.
0.63. Third place.
It's again 63.
Okay. 0.633. Next B. Using calculator, you can directly solve this. Within 1 minute, you will get the answer. Don't you know calculator operations?
0.54. 0.54.
0.54. Give me one more digit. 54.
54.
Again 54. Okay.
Again 54, sir.
Okay. This can be approximated to 0.55. Or no problem if you keep it 0.54. 54. Right. A is equal to 0.633 and B is equal to 0.55. These are the values of A and B. Now the straight line is, I got it 0.64 and you got 0.633. It's okay. A is equal to 0.633 and B is equal to 0.55. Therefore, the given straight line y is equal to ax plus b. And y is equal to a is 0.633 into x plus b is 0.55. This is not exact fitting straight line. This is approximately fitted a straight line. Is this clear? How to fit a straight line?
Yes, sir.
Next, we take one more similar problem. By the method of least squares, find a straight line that best fits the following data. When x is equal to 0, y is 1.0, that is 1. When x is equal to 1, 2.9, 2, 4.9, 4.8, 3, 6.7, 4, 8.6. And construct the two normal equations, same equations. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus n into b. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus n into b. Summation xy is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x. This is a very simple method, but very, very important in examination point of view. Now construct the table. First column is for x, next y, and then x square, and then xy. What is n here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. Here x takes values 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And y takes values 1, 2.9, 4.8, 6.7, and 8.6. And x square. This is x. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. Next, x into y. You substitute these values x into y. Take a calculator, find x into y for each of these 5 sets, and then give me the value of summation x first, y, x square, xy. What is summation x? Summation x is 10. And what is y? Summation y? Tell me.
24.
24. Summation x square?
30.
30, that's right. And summation xy?
67.
67.
7.
Okay. Now we have all the 4 values. I show you the table. You compare the values with which you obtained summation x 10, summation y 24, x square 30, and xy 67. You just compare the values with which you obtained. And I copied the 2 normal equations here. I substitute here. This is first normal equation. Let's substitute there in the first normal equation. A into summation x. A into summation x, and summation x is 10. Therefore, we get 10a plus n into b. N is equal to 5. Therefore, 5b is equal to summation y, and summation y is 24. Next, second normal equation. A into summation x square, that is 30a, plus b into summation x, that is 10b, is equal to summation xy 67. Use calculators. Calculators ಅಲ್ಲಿ simultaneous equation solve ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. You have to learn those operations. How to solve a quadratic equation, cubic equation, and how to solve simultaneous equations using calculators.
A is equal to 1.9.
Yes, A is equal to 1.9. That's right.
B is equal to 1.
B is equal to 1. These values are correct. A is equal to 1.9 and B is equal to 1. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? A is equal to 1.9 and B is equal to 1. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then we write the straight line. Y is equal to ax plus b. This is the required straight line where a is 1.9, therefore 1.9x plus b is 1. You can verify the result also. You will not get exact values, but you get approximate values. When x is equal to 0, what happens here? Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1.9 plus 1, 2.9. When x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, 1.9 into 2 plus 1. You can verify like that. Sometimes you get exact values of y, sometimes nearest values of y. A is equal to 1.9, b is equal to 1. This is the required straight line. Y is equal to 1.9x plus 1. For your doubts, you can unmute yourselves and ask. Otherwise, I'll move to the next problem. Fit a straight line for the following data. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y is 1.8, 2, 3.3, 3, 4.5, 4, 6.3. Similar problem. And for every problem, you have to construct these two normal equations. Summation y is equal to a into summation x plus nb. Summation xy is equal to a into summation x square plus b into summation x. Do not forget to write these two normal equations in every problem. And n is equal to 5. Construct the table x, y, x square, xy. X takes values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And corresponding y are 1, 1.8, 3.3, 4.5, and 6.3. Do this. Once you finish the table, give me the values. Mark your attendance also. Mark your attendance. Kunal Jain raised hand. What is your doubt? Kunal?
So the chat is disabled.
Okay. Okay, it's enabled now. What is summation x?
10.
Summation y?
16.9.
16.9. And x square?
30.
30. And xy?
10.1.
47.1. Now let's substitute the normal equations. A into summation x. A into summation x and summation x is 10. Therefore 10 plus n into b. N is 5. Therefore 5. This is equal to summation y 16.9. First normal equation. And second equation, a into summation x square. That is 30. Because summation x square is 30. B into summation x, that is 10b, is equal to summation xy 47.1. These two are two simultaneous equations, very simple equations. You can easily solve using calculators. And give me
A
the
is
value.
equal to 1.
A is equal to 1.33.
33. B is equal to
B is equal to
0.72.
7.
72.
Right. And others got it? A is equal to 1.33 and B is equal to 0.72.
Yes, sir.
Construct the straight line in the form y is equal to ax plus b, where a is equal to 1.33 into x plus b is 0.72. This is the table. You compare the values with which we obtained. Summation x 10, y 16.9, x square 30, and xy 47.1. And a is equal to 1.33 and b is equal to 0.72. Comparatively, this chapter is very small and very easy. Find an equation of the best fitting straight line for the data and hence estimate the value of the dependent variable corresponding to the value 30 of the independent variable. First, to fit the straight line. Fit the straight line for this data. When x is equal to 5, y is 16, 10, 19, 15, 23, 20, 26, 25, 30. Same normal equations. And n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 set of values are given, therefore n is equal to 5. Now we construct the table x, y, x square, x, y. Here x takes values 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And y takes values 16, 19, 23, 26, 30. Is construction of the table over? We have less than 1 minute.